Hello everyone. So we are going to start our Linux mastery course from 0 to mastery level. Means I can ensure that after completing this course, if you are planning to attempt any of the certification, if you are planning to do a server administrator, or you are planning for your personal use, any of your use cases, if you have after completing this course, you will be able to crack that. So first we quickly discuss what we are going to teach you and what you are going to learn after completing this course. Okay. First, the course description. This is a comprehensive Linux mastery course which is designed to take a student from the basic Linux concept to the advanced troubleshooting and network commands. This course provides hands-on training. We are not only talking about the theoretical, each and every commands that I am going to show you or I'm going to tell you, it will be implemented over my command line so that you will understand what is the output and what is the use of that. So this code provides hands-on training with a focus on real-world application and mastery of the Linux system. Okay, quickly we will talk about the course outline. So first we will start with the Linux introduction of Linux, in which we will talk about the history, evolution and the benefits, why we use that. So this portion will be the theoretical one. But yeah, we don't spend much time on the theory part. We will directly move on to the part 2. Definitely we will have this short discussion over the introduction of Linux, but yeah, we will not going to spend much time on that because our main purpose is not to know about the theoretical portion of the Linux, but our purpose to learn, to implement, to understand the Linux commands. In the second module we will talk about the basic Linux command, in which we are going to cover the file management, what is the command used for managing the files that we are going to cover, the permission, navigations, whatever the basic commands that is required to move or to play with the file management, permission, navigations, all the things we are going to cover in the basic commands section, that is the module 2. In module 3 we will go and level up ourselves. Then we will start talking about the advanced Linux troubleshooting commands. Like we understand what is the commands we can use for the process management, scheduling, system monitoring, any sort of troubleshooting if you wanted to do, we will start doing that with the help of those commands. So all the major Linux advanced troubleshooting commands will start from the module 3. Then definitely we will talk about the operating system essentials. We will talk about what is the commands we use for the kernel, for file system, what is the basic fundamental of the booting process, what is the commands we can use if there is any issue with the Linux file system while booting process. So those commands we also get to know about it. We will run in the real time. You will understand what would be the output. So we will talk about in detail about the operating system essentials. Then we will move forward to the next module, which is the computer network. So what is the Linux advanced troubleshooting commands related to network configuration, troubleshooting and their related tools. We are going to cover all the commands in the module 5. Then move ahead, we will go to the log management system. We will use how you can filter, scan or analyze the log files, because analyzing the log files is one of the most important section that you have to focus on, because if you are planning for any of such role, either for the admin or system administrator or the DevOps, these commands that I am going to cover under the module 6 will definitely help you to crack your interview. So this module is very beneficial, very important, because as a system administrator or a DevOps engineer, you must know the commands which will eventually help you to filter, search or analyze the log file. Whenever there is an issue occur, you have to analyze the log file. So module 6 we are going to cover with those commands. After, we will also understand the basic shell scripting. We will write, automate some of the tasks with the bash. We will also talk about if else statement, loop, condition, for loop, all the things we are going to cover in the Linux in the module 7, which means we will also going to cover the basic of shell scripting as well. After that, we will start doing the real world troubleshooting scenarios. Means we will start talking about how you can debug the most important or most common issue. What is the commands you can use to troubleshoot those real world problems. We will talk about more than 7 to 8 problems, and we will talk about how you can troubleshoot those problems with the help of those Linux advanced troubleshooting commands. Once we are done with these real scenarios, we will talk about the theoretical knowledge, understanding the Linux security, all the things, best practice. But yeah, if you are talking about a Linux administrator role or a DevOps role, then definitely you must know about the security point of view. So we will talk about a little bit of theoretical portion along with the command that is useful for the security point of view, and we will also see what would be the best practices for that. And at the end, we definitely have some hands-on project. We are going to cover almost 4 to 5 projects which will related to the system setup or the network monitoring or the log analysis. So this would be the entire course for this Linux mastery. So if you talk about the key feature of this course, definitely you must have the hands-on training with the real world scenarios. You are going to cover comprehensive coverage of Linux command and the tools. Means rarely we will miss any of the command, otherwise you are going to cover all the important commands, all the Linux advanced troubleshooting command after completing this course. Definitely there would be some practical projects to ensure mastery of the concept. It is not something like the theoretical knowledge, everything would be the practical one, so that your concept would be very clear. At the end of the completion of this course, you have the course completion certification, and if you are very good with completing this course, definitely if you are going to apply any of the places, definitely you will get your dream company.